Hi, in front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Security and Biometrics after scrolling down. Then tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Now click on Disclaimer, read all of those informations, and when you're done, go back. Then select Start. Keep your face in frame, follow all of those instructions, and wait for 100% mark. Finally, click on Done. Select OK in Attention pop-up and manage those options however you want to. When you finished, just tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. Icons that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!